guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Before we get into this video, I would like to give a big thanks to GRAPHENE for sponsoring this video. Yes, won't he do it? And without further ado, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using today to straighten my hair. This is crazy because it was actually a request from a subby down in the comment section. So here I am straightening my hair, and what better way to do it with being sponsored by GRAPHENE. So once again, thank you so much to GRAPHENE for sponsoring this video. Hey guys, this is what my hair looked like blow dried out before I started using the hair straightening brush. It comes in a really nice slick black box. The brush quality is great. The bristles on the edges are not hard. This brush also comes with a velvet bag. I do have a 25% discount code for you guys if you're interested in this brush. It comes from Amazon and the original price is $39.99, and with my 25% off discount code it is $29.99. So you guys go check this brush out on Amazon. And it also includes a nifty glove to protect your hand from the heat. So I have the heating brush, and when you plug it up, you guys, it's going to be on off mode. So that is really safe. I've tried one of these straightening brushes before, but it was years ago. And I wanted to give it a fair shot this time. So I pre-blow dried my hair because I was just like, when you straighten your hair with a flat iron, you actually blow dry your hair. So I probably did that wrong the last time I used a straightening comb, but this one has so much better quality. You can find this brush on Amazon. The teeth around it is not hard. They are very soft. This brush also goes up to 450 degrees. Yeah, so it goes up to 450 degrees, but I will not be using it at that heat. I'm actually going to be using this brush I'm going to try it on 220 degrees first. So I've already blow dried my hair. Like I said before, I wanted to give this a fair shot. So I did already blow dry my hair and put it in sections. So I'm gonna just jump right into this video by taking down this section right here. Brush is not getting hot on the back side at all. As you guys can see, it's been on for a little bit, but the front side is pretty hot. But to the touch right here, you can actually you can touch your scalp with this, because look, my hand is actually on the brush, but the little gold plates inside, that's what's hot. So that's a nice little protection, a protection with the little teeth, so you can actually try to get your roots with this. But if you have hair like mine, I would actually recommend you to blow dry your hair so that you don't get tangles. It's probably going to be a lot easier as well. So I'm going to just take this big of a section. That's a pretty big section. And it's so crazy because with a flat iron, I think I will be taking a lot smaller section. But I'm going to see how I can handle this section real quick. Okay. I'm going to go underneath. Okay, so I think it needs to go up a little bit higher. That felt like I'm gonna do 300 degrees, but I don't want to go up too high though. But that wasn't bad. Like, that run through was really smooth. That was quite smooth. So the neat thing is, it says that it's ready already, and once again, like I said, it's protected. And you guys, you can use this glove, but this thing is really, like, seriously though, and it's on. Like, I'm not even playing. It's on, and I'm not recommending you touch it, but I'm just letting you know, like, you can put it on your scalp and it's not gonna nick you. Okay. Okay, so I think I need to go, I'm gonna do 360. It jumped from 340 to 360. So I'm gonna try 360, and I think that's as high as I'm gonna go. Okay, so 360 is my limit. That's straight enough for me. That is gonna do it for me. Yes, she cries. So you guys can see the difference in the bulkiness of this one and this one. This section is a little bit bigger, so I'm going to split this one in half. Let's see if I go to 400. Let's see how many passes I can get with 400. Okay guys, look. The back is already done. And because I don't straighten my hair often, it's a lot more poofier. But when I do straighten my hair, I normally wrap it. So I'm going to wait until I wrap it at the end. But look, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So this is the first side. Let's keep going. Okay guys, so I just wanted to pop in here really quick and let you guys know this is an excellent straightening brush if you are a beginner, if you're really nervous about straightening your hair, if you're wanting to be heat safe, because this brush didn't get as hot as a flat iron would get to where it felt like it was damaging your hair. Once again, I only put the heat setting up to 400 degrees, but it's great for beginners if you're scared about nicking your ears. The extra space on the teeth that protects your scalp from like getting burnt when you're brushing the brush through your hair works really great. And you guys, I actually got my hair straightened within like 15 to 20 minutes, and that's saying a lot with me having a lot of hair. But I will be honest, if you have hair like mine, you will need to blow dry your hair first. And if you don't care about using that much heat on your hair, you probably could get your hair a lot straighter than what I'm getting my hair in this video, because I didn't put it up to the highest setting. And the heat temperatures actually let you know, like, the lowest setting is for thin short hair and the highest setting is for wavy curly hair. So I didn't put it up all the way to the highest heat setting just because I don't put heat on my hair that often, and I still want it to be quite safe with my hair. But if you guys want to blow dry your hair and get your hair just in a more softer state at the roots, then this is the tool for you to get that, probably a nice little beach wave or a twist out or a braid out, whatever you choose. But this is just the before and after comparison of like how you can see that the left side is blow dried and the right side I straightened it with the brush. So you guys, once again, like I said, this is a great brush if you're a beginner, but if you're wanting a super silky press, this is not the tool that you'll probably want to pick up, but it's still a great tool. I just want to be really transparent and honest, but it's a great brush if you're wanting to trim your hair or else just see the length of your hair without risking the fact of using a flat iron. So that's how much hair I lost. It was really little to none. But this is a quick before and after view. And as you guys can see, it took a lot of the bulk out of my hair and it straightened it enough for if I wanted to trim my hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. And once again, thanks guys for watching. Bye.